Hello everyone, I welcome you all on Tech Insight. So here you will find information regarding IT jobs, IT news, interview questions, programming language and much more. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. So today's jobs are for experience as well as freshers and both for development as well as testing. So the very first job is from GE Careers. They are hiring software engineer specialist and it is for the entry level position. And here is the apply button. So the qualification requirements are bachelor degree in computer science or in STEM, that is science, technology, engineering or mathematics, a minimum of 0 to 2 years of professional experience, basic understanding of operating system, database and their interaction with each other, knowledge of at least one programming language such as Java, Python, JavaScript, Shell script, knowledge of Python or Java is a big plus, and it is for the Bengaluru location. So if your skill matches with the requirement, definitely apply for this job and this link will be in the description. Moving on to the other job, it is from Elitmus and the company name is Mosip. They are hiring software development engineer for the location Bangalore and the package is very good, that is 8 to 9 lakh per annum for freshers 2019 and 2020 pass out. In order to apply for this job, you need to make your ID on Elitmus. From here you need to log in and apply for this job. So few things that needs to be taken care over here is last date to apply is 9th of September and the date of drive is 11th September. Drive location is online, so by sitting at your home you can apply for this job and even you can attempt the recruitment process. Talking about the eligibility criteria, you should be having BE BTech in CSIT 19 to 2020 pass out, good academic score, excellent PH score. So your work will be based on building scripts, deployment, working on Kubernetes, Docker, Python, DevOps, etc. Even you will be working on Java, web applications, mobile web development. So if skill matches the requirement, definitely go and apply for the job as it is a fresher's job. So the next job is from Credible Soft. They are hiring multiple positions and the current job opening includes .NET developer, Java developer, test analyst, automation engineer, SEO manager. And here are the respective apply button. There are few more positions such as iOS programmer, PHP programmer, digital marketing manager, SEM managers. So this job includes both for freshers as well as experienced person. You need to go for each title on which you want to make your career and you need to find out the requirements. For example, if I'll go to the .NET programmers, you can see this is for experienced person, that is 3 to 8 years of experience. For iOS it is again for 3 to 8. For PHP again same. For test analyst again 3 to 8 years of experience. For SEO manager again 3 to 8 years of experience, and these responsibilities you can read it out over here. For Java programmer it is completely for the freshers, that means freshers can apply in this category. And in order to apply for this job, you need to come at the bottom down of this page, you need to enter your name, your email address and whatever the thing they are asking, your CV, and you can send this job application. Another job is from Data Care Solution and here is the apply button. Put your name, email ID and your CV and you can submit this button. But before that, we'll look the required skill, which includes you should be having proficient knowledge in Python, Scala, HDFS, Hive, Spark, Big Data Framework. You should be good in writing SQL queries, knowledge of AWS Cloud, etc. So it's a full-time job and the job category is IT software engineer. The recruitment process will be online on WebEx and it will be a telephonic interview. Both freshers as well as experienced person can apply, that means 0 to 2 years of experience, and the job location is completely for Hyderabad location. So if your skill matches the requirement, kindly fill this form and apply for this job and this link will be in the description. Another job is from Pega. They are hiring associate software engineer and the job category is product management, completely for the location Telangana or Hyderabad. And here is the apply form. You can read all this information, you can fill the form and you can click the submit button to apply. Let's get quickly into the details. You should be having 1 year of software development or maintenance experience, preferably in product development companies, strong understanding of OOPS and design, continuous integration and delivery, CI/CD, agile or scrum development methodology. Known experience is required. Experience using Java, JUnit, IntelliJ, Linux is a must. So if your skill matches the requirement, go and apply for this job as soon as possible. Now the another job is from Amazon. They are hiring software development engineer. Here is the apply button. It is for the location Bangalore. Quickly coming over to the job details. Basic qualification includes programming experience with at least one of the modern programming language such as C, Java, C++ or C Sharp in OOPS concept. Ability to code, write solution starting with broadly defined problems, understanding basic algo and fundamentals, development of code in the object-oriented languages such as C and Java. So if your skill matches the requirement, you can apply for this job. So they are completely looking for someone who has less than 1 years of experience. That means the fresh graduate and who are already working and didn't complete their 1 year of experience can apply for this job. And here is the apply button. Link will be in the description. Moving on to the other job, it is from Sutherland. They are hiring associate professional, that is a software developer. You can refer this job and you can apply for this job by clicking on this button. So it is in the category of sales delivery consulting. City is completely Bangalore. Moving on towards the job details. Qualification includes good understanding of OOPS concept, knowledge of C Sharp, understanding advanced concept in .NET framework, CLR and assemblies, event and delegates, multi-threading, web application and web services. That's all. You can apply for the job. There is no experience required as such. So I can see there is no experience requirement. So you can directly apply for the job and it is completely for the freshers. Moving on to the other job, it is from Adiprus. They are hiring data analyst, engineer, senior engineer in IoT software applications, senior lead in HW embedded engineer. So for the associate software engineer, you should be having 1 to 3 years of experience. Location is Mumbai and you should be having BE or ME or MSc in CSC or IT. Very good experience in Java platform, EE, that is enterprise application, JSP, JavaScript, strong HTML, XML, Ajax knowledge, PHP knowledge, database knowledge, and all these technologies they have mentioned it over here. If your skill matches the requirement, definitely apply for this job. 1 to 3 years of experience. I repeat it again, and this link will be in the description. Another job is from UST Globals. They are hiring software developer for the location Bangalore, and it is for the position Salesforce QA. And this job is for someone who is interested in the testing work, and this is for the manual testing of Salesforce enterprise application. You will be working with your agile ART to support upcoming releases and conduct initial acceptance tests prior to passing functionality to the business for UAT. So these are the works that you're gonna perform. You should be having bachelor's degree in computer science, mathematics or engineering, testing and application quality experience of any combination of education experience which would provide an equivalent background. You should be having Salesforce experience and demonstrate ability to perform test execution, and you can apply for this job by clicking it over here. So last job for today is from Rockstar Games. They are hiring junior QA tools developer. Here is the apply button. Location is specifically Bangalore, Karnataka. So these are the responsibilities. You can read it out over here, but we'll go to the qualifications quickly. A degree in computer science or software engineering or equivalent professional degree, skills in .NET, C Sharp or WPF, skills, SQL, strong communication skill, MVVM, application architecture, ability to work, and these are some of the more technology skills. And in order to apply for this job, you have to fill this form. You have to attach your resume, your cover letter, your LinkedIn profile, and if you are having any website such as GitHub and all, and after that you can submit this button, and if you are shortlisted, they want to contact you on your email. So that's all for today, guys. I used to make these kind of videos on a regular basis, so if you are interested, definitely subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon, share this video with all your friends. I thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.